In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 for free. You can get this on PC, Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, whatever platform, guys. And it's not a super expensive game. As you can see, it costs around $20 on Steam. I'm going to show you how to get it for free using a digital game code. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, this method takes just a few minutes, and like I said, this is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem on whatever platform, and it's going to get you a free copy of Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. So let's get into the tutorial. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser to get your code, and then you can redeem it on whatever platform. So you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So go ahead, type it exactly like this into your mobile phone internet browser. And Cold Coupons is a game code website. They have hundreds of different pages, and you need to navigate your way to the Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 free game code. You can scroll down and try and find it, or you can use the search bar and just type in Poppy Playtime. You're looking for Chapter 5. They have Chapter 4 as well, but Chapter 5 is obviously the one that you're searching for. So this is going to get you a free digital game code working on all platforms that once you redeem it, it's going to supply you with a copy of Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. And this game is absolutely awesome. Brand new release. It's not super expensive, but yeah. So you do need to unlock your game code. That is because these are limited. And of course, this is a $20 game. So it does limit one of these codes per person. So you can only do this once to get one copy. So click on get full code, and you're going to see this screen here. This tells you what you need to do to unlock your game code. So you need to complete 2 of the 3 tasks below to get your code from Cold Coupons, and then make sure you follow the instructions. So I did this earlier and it was pretty easy. It took me about 5 minutes, guys. You need to complete 2 tasks on this page. They are completely free, and they're really easy things like installing mobile apps, playing mobile games and stuff. It's just very, very important that you follow the instructions below each one. So there is some text there that tells you how to complete them. So once you fully complete 2 of them, it will then redirect you to Cold Coupons, and your Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game code will be unlocked and fully revealed. So the full code will be shown and you can redeem it. So if you play on Xbox, you enter it in the Microsoft Store. If you play on Steam, enter it in the Steam Store in the download code field. And that is going to get you Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 for free. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.